Hi boys and girls, it's me. I'm back to do another science experiment tea. Again, last time we made something, it exploded. Something big exploded. So this time we are going to make something else. This time this is called we're going to make elephant toothpaste. Yeah, elephant toothpaste. Like, I didn't even know elephants brush their teeth, but sometimes they don't have enough toothpaste, so sometimes they ask me to help them make their toothpaste so they have enough so they can brush their teeth. You know, we have to keep our teeth nice and clean because it's always good. You don't want to get those bugs that are going in your teeth. You don't want any of them, okay? So we have to make sure we always brush our teeth. So we're gonna make sure your elephants brush their teeth too. When you go to the zoo, they brush the elephant's teeth, and then when they go on the safari, you have to go and you have to brush their teeth and their tusks and stuff. Yeah, they do that. So today they asked me to make elephant toothpaste, and it's part of science. This thing, because it kind of foams up, and you need some toothpaste. So we're going to try to make this elephant toothpaste. You know, I really like toothpaste. Sometimes I use it just not even for my teeth. I use it for all kinds of stuff. You know, you use it to brush like my hair and my eyes, and you know, I use it in the bathtub a lot because it smells, and you eat it because it's real good, tasty. So we're going to make elephant toothpaste today. Now remember, boys and girls, when you're doing a science experiment, you need your equipment. So that means you need your mask on, and you need your safety goggles and your materials, but make sure it's safety first, okay? You can't just be doing stuff and it go all crazy. So you have to make sure you got safety first and have your instructions right in front of you. And sometimes you might even need your gloves. I don't really have gloves on here. Maybe I should go get my mittens, but maybe we'll do that for the next time. All right, so here we're going to go. So these are some of the materials that you need for making elephant toothpaste to brush your elephant's teeth. You know, some people have elephants as pets. You know, they're just like a dog, really. You take them outside and they do their business. You have to walk them 5 times a day, and they need their water, and they need to be watered. It's just like a dog, really. So maybe you can ask your mom and dad for an elephant for your birthday, and I'm sure they'd be fine with it because they're real good pets. They're real nice, but they do need their teeth brushed. So this is what help you. So you have your bottles to put the toothpaste on, and you need some dish soap. Now the dish soap here, what the dish soap is for when you to make it clean. It cleans all the germs all out of the mouth. Okay, that's what the toothpaste. You know, you wash your dishes and you wash different things with dish soap. It makes sense, really. And then you have food coloring, and you need your cups. And it says you need warm water in here. You can't really see, but there is water in here. I put some water in here. And then you need some, now they tell me this is some yeast. Now, I didn't realize yeast was in toothpaste. I thought you used it for, you know, bacon and stuff. Like you use it for like breads, and you use it for, you know, different things. They use it to put on like your sub or, you know, pizza or anything like that. So I'm not even sure that I didn't know yeast cleans your teeth. Who knew? And you need this thing. Now it says hydrogen peroxide solution. Okay, hydrogen it's to clean wound care. So it's for when you get the cuts and the bumps. So sometimes in the elephant's mouth they get the cuts and the bumps. And you just give them some of this, really. Why not? You know. Just, you gotta be careful now. You gotta be careful with this because it might get in your eyes and in your ears, and then it hurts real bad. Speaking from experience, I made an accident and I tried to, yeah, it was not fun. I ended up in the hospital. Yeah, I did, and it wasn't good. No. So let's get into our experiment, okay? And I have you know, you need your scissors and you need a marker, just just in case. Okay. So I got all my ingredients here, and you just read your instructions. Remember to read your instructions every time when you do it, because if you don't read your instructions, it might not work. So you have to make sure you read the instructions real carefully too. So it says, measure 1/2 of hydrogen peroxide and carefully pour it into the bottle. 1/2 of hydrogen peroxide. So this is your hydrogen peroxide thing, 1/2. Measure 1/2. So again, take your cup and you just cut half. Okay? You just cut it in half, like that. Okay? Half a cup of hydrogen, and again, you don't need that. You just put it over there. Look, okay. Hydrogen peroxide, and it says pour it carefully into the bottle. Okay. So you just undo the hydrogen peroxide. Don't like when this happens all the time when you like I would have a cap on. Like, why would you put another concealer thing on it? So you have to undo it first, like that. Okay, like this, and then you pour it like this. Kind of looks like water, really, but don't drink it. Don't drink it. It'd be whoa. This cup is probably not the greatest cup. And you pour it into the bottle, like that. Whew. That was a lot. That was a lot, eh? That was a lot. Okay. Then you do it again, because you got 2 bottles. You got to do it 2 times. Okay? Half of a cup now. Make sure you follow your directions. All right, half a cup. Okay, we got the, see, you put it in the bottle. Everyone has bottles. You get them from, you go outside and there's bottles laying everywhere. Okay, so all right, we got the half a cup. Then it says add a big squirt of dish soap into each bottle. So I got some dish soap here. I'm not sure what kind of flavor you put the dish. This says coconut water and jasmine. Now I thought jasmine was, from the movie Aladdin. I didn't realize they must take a squirt of Jasmine's hair and then they cut it up from the movie and they just put it in the bottle. So this is real royalty. And then they put coconut water. Right from the coconut. They get it right from the coconut tree. They do. Right from the coconut tree, they put it right in there. And then the blue, because, Jasmine, the princess, she's blue. So they put it, that's how it gets its color. So, and it says a squirt. Now, I'm not sure how, it says big squirt. So, what's a big, I don't even know what a squirt is. So you just, Now, I don't know, is that a squirt? And out there, you might be able to tell me what a squirt is. I don't know. I don't know what squirt. We squirt. Okay. I just squirt it like that. See how it's kind of blue? It's blue because of the Jasmine from Aladdin. She's blue. Okay. All right. So we did that. Okay. Add a few drops of food coloring. Now you can put any color food coloring you want in here. I think I'm going to do a red one, because, red's a nice color. You put some red. Now, it just says a few drops. Now, what's a few? No one really seems to be able to answer that question for me, so I'm just going to put, that many in, okay? And then maybe we'll do some green colors. Green's nice. Again, you just keep doing it. You just keep pressing when you feel like it's hard to get those covers on and off. You know, they're real hard. You know, I don't know how to do things sometimes. All right, and it says put the yeasties into the water. Oh, I think this one's the water one. And you're supposed to I don't know how they got this real good. Now, I don't... What is going... Oh, I got it. There. That was hard. That was hard. It's good to smell the yeast. It smells good. Now, it says I have to put some of this in here. Okay. Remember, follow the directions now. Keep following your directions. It says, stir tablespoon. What's a tablespoon? I always write into tablespoon. Table and spoon. Table. This is the tablespoon. Tablespoon? Table. Is this a tablespoon? What's a tablespoon? Now, I'm not sure what a tablespoon is. We're on a table, I mean, and this is a spoon. So would this can be considered to be a tablespoon? Maybe I'm supposed to have an actual table shaped into a spoon. You're probably supposed to get one of those. The tables that are shaped into a spoon. This is the only spoon I have. So, does that mean I have to do... I don't know, maybe I have to do that many. I have to do that many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't even know. So, you just... Is this a tablespoon? Okay. You just pour in that thing. Couple things. I'm not even sure how many you poured in. Then it says, stir for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, it's not really stirring real good. It's still floating at the top. I don't think it's supposed to float. Is it supposed to float at the top still? It kind of reminds me either of coffee or chunky oatmeal or something. It kind of looks a little bit like that. Kind of looks like cappuccino. Like what kind? Doesn't smell like it. Kind of smells like you know. Now this one's still. I think you're probably supposed to. Yeah. Okay. Pour yeast mixture into the bottle, then quickly step back. Watch your reaction go. Okay. Now, this might be real dangerous. Like I said, this is for the elephants. So, you know, elephants, they're big. You know, they big. They have a big mouth. They're real big. So you have to make sure that it might be real big. Now, I don't know. It doesn't say how much to pour in. Do I pour just all of this? No, I can't pour all of this in. See, the instructions are not very good. Whoever wrote these instructions are not very good. So I just pour it in like that. Like that. I'm not sure what's really supposed to happen. So I just pour. What's it is bubbling. It's doing it bubbling. It kind of looks like toothpaste actually. So we must have did something right. It's bubbling. It's kind of rising. Oh, oh, oh! It's coming out. It's coming out. Oh, oh, they both coming out. Are they supposed to come out like that? It's still coming out. Okay, I'm not sure. Why is it still coming out? We made toothpaste, but it's, I don't have a toothbrush on me right now, but it's still coming out. Why is it coming out? I don't know if this is supposed to happen. I don't think it's supposed to come out. I thought it was supposed to fill up the bottle and you just put the cover back on it. But it's coming out a lot. It's, it does smell very good though. It smells like toothpaste. You should, yeah, when you try it. So my suggestion is maybe not pour the whole cup into the bottle because it makes a mess. But it's okay if it makes a little mess. It's just, oh, it's still going. It's still making a mess. It's still pouring out. So you gotta be careful when you're doing things like this. Make sure you have your safety equipment on now. Okay? Okay. Oh, it's a big mess. Big mess. Big mess. So now you have elephant toothpaste. So now you can go and brush your teeth of your elephants and make sure that they, you know, they minty fresh. Because you don't want them to get the bugs in their teeth now. Right? You have to, it's pouring out. It's pouring out. It's pouring out. It's overflowing onto the table. Oh, we have a big mess now. I didn't think, oh no. Oh no, oh no. Okay, now it's getting on the floor, so you gotta be careful. Oh dear, they're gonna get me. I don't think they're gonna like this. Oh dear, I don't know how I'm gonna get it all in the bottle. We gotta figure out how to put it now all in the back in the bottle, because oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Anyways, boys and girls, I gotta figure out how I can go and get this all back in the bottle. So until next time, thanks for coming with me and doing this science experiment. Bye! Oh dear, oh dear.